Are we truly in for a big collapse we haven't experienced since the Great Depression? For over 10 months, we have seen many things happening recently in the economy, even with the composites stands at $20.73 trillion. This is a slight decrease from the previous month and a more noticeable 3.30% drop from a year ago. Such a decrease in the money supply can be significant, as it has historically led to changes in inflation and interest rates. The U.S. economy in 2023 turned out to be quite a surprise package. Despite the gloomy prediction, we saw strong consumer spending, job growth, and even real wage increases, especially for women and black workers. And guess what? Manufacturing investment hit historic highs. Legislative pushes like the Inflation Reduction Act partly fueled this boom. Now, about the rate of inflation, while it has been decreasing, still looms over us. It's like a cloud that's slowly moving away, but still casting a bit of a shadow. The good news? Real wages began to grow in 2023 as inflation fell from its peak in 2022. Now, let's talk numbers. The U.S. economy grew by 5.2% in the third quarter, which is pretty solid. Consumer spending, a big chunk of the U.S. economy, grew at a 3.6% rate. This shows people were still opening their wallets despite everything going on. However, the unexpected has begun to surface. Economic activity seems to have cooled down in the fourth quarter. We saw retail sales dip for the first time in 7 months in October. Job growth also slowed, and the unemployment rate peaked at 3.9%. It's as if the economy is taking a resilient streak, or are we in for a bumpy ride? And hey, if you found this interesting, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. We are curious to hear your thoughts, so please comment below. Let's keep this conversation going. See you in the next video. Bye for now.